Okay, so while I'm waiting for UPS and all that, I will try to get, if I don't have the uh, moon in this, what I'm about to put in. Because let's get real here. What's one important thing in the post-apocalypse that you'll be wanting to do? Keep clean. So I'm going to try to put in these. If not, I can get me a bigger 10 easily. This is the Coleman camp soap. I decided I'm using the other little one for this little things. Yeah. Okay, I can at least put this in here. That's good. But I should get a bigger 10 though. I think I do have one already. I think. I'm trying to think if I do or not. But yeah, it's camp soap. I decided, hey, yeah. By the way, I'll be trying to. I'm hoping the subscription comes today. The Goon Workshop. So yeah. But yeah, I decided, yeah, why not have, these, right? Makes sense. Because, it's camp soap, so basically you should be able to, yes, it's dish in hands, but guess what? If you are crafty enough, you can use it for everything else, right? So that's why I'm putting that in here, because keeping clean is very helpful. I'll probably end up doing a big 10. Oh, I do have a big 10. I have a huge 10. Yes. Okay. So y'all know the kit, with the whatever. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all that in there, like my whole hygiene kit in there. It's still small enough for me to carry, but yeah, I could put in the brushes, the ones, easily, and that'll be a better thing than a small 10. The other small 10s, then if I had to, I could just take something like this or what have you, and yeah. So yeah, first thing I'm putting into the hygiene kit, camp soap. I will be getting more of these soon. I think I have at least 200-300. Yeah. I'm pretty sure you can wash your face with this too, honestly. Another thing I will be putting in there is camp soap, the liquid camp soap too. My goal for the hygiene kit is to be able to wash my teeth, or not wash, but brush my teeth, be able to clean myself, if I'm, I'm, as you know, this is another reason why I changed the channel name to Post-Apoc Survival. Because that's how I'm always thinking. That's how when I buy stuff like this, that's how I'm thinking. When I buy outdoor scents even, that's what I'm thinking. Wait, isn't there a arrow I want to take off of one of the signature cords? Yeah, like there's one arrow on the signature cord, unless I can get rid of taking that one off. Which, yeah, I still have no idea how to use this. I try using a bottle opener, doesn't work unless I'm doing it two bigger bottles. or my I'm gonna try that. See if that works. But yeah, here's my survival wallet. This does have. Let me get these two things off and I'll show you. With the three things. Line cord. Are you not gonna get off? Are you not gonna. You see I have arrows right there. But there's a smaller arrow that I want to get. I think from the Cali Russell cord. Yeah. If I don't end up using this for hygiene kit, I'll use it for like a, I don't know, fishing, hunting, trapping type kit. Now, with that, I'm thinking, okay, if I can't find, beans and all this, I'm going to hunt, I'm going to fish, I'm going to trap. Right? Because if I need to eat, I'm going to eat. Right? Oh, I forgot about, wait, what? There should be two of these in here, right? Holy cow, I forgot there's two of these in here. It's totally, but yeah, I actually do recommend this wallet. It is a wallet because it has like this thing right here. Pretty cool. I like it. I really do like it. Pretty nice. It is a pretty nice wallet though. It makes things a whole lot easier for me. But yeah, like, I want, with this channel, I want y'all to get that mindset of, okay, a post-apocalyptic mindset of no matter what type of post-apocalypse it's going to be, right? I should take this off because we should get back on here. Yeah, I made this into a whole kit because, bro, no. I know I'm going to need items, so, yeah, no. This is a really good thing to have, too, so, yeah. But, yeah. Hopefully the mail and UPS comes today. I don't know what. It could be. Wait, if it's the one thing I'm thinking about, I can actually show it because it's probably gonna be a part of a new nightlife kit. So I want to do a good nightlife kit because I gotta get some other stuff too. But yeah, I want you to think, okay, what, what would be good for this type of kit and this type of kit? That's what I want to do for y'all. Oh, by the way, if you want bouillon with chicken fat in it, get the Noah one. I'm gonna show that to you because I bought it last night for, clapping and all that. So yeah, this does have chicken fat in it. It's on the first line of the ingredients. So yeah, yeah, I put bouillon cubes so that because knowing me, if I use this, half it's going into the thing. So okay, mail person, please have my subscription. Please have the subscription. So I want my subscription. Yeah, I've been waiting a few days for that. Because yesterday was a holiday. Ugh. So yeah, that's what's going into. You know what? I'm going to use the bigger 10 I have. That came with the. It's like a British or whatever type. I don't know. But yeah, that's what I'm putting in here. I'm going to go check the mail, see if it's my subscription. If it is, guess what? Being opened. But yeah, I figure I had these, so I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna use this for anything else. Let me just put them in a kit. Right? Anyway, peace.